Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Cash App if you're in another country. So go to your app store, press on your profile picture at the top right, and then press on your email all the way at the top. Then you see where it says country/region. I already did this, but you're going to want to press on it. You're going to want to change it to United States, alright? I already changed it, so that's why I already have it, but you're gonna change it to United States, and it's gonna make you wait, let me just change back. Oh, I can't change it no more. Oh yeah, you also have to have a VPN, so make sure you have a VPN and then change your country/region. You're gonna have to put in some type of information, and yeah, that's basically it. And make sure you have a VPN on while you're signing into Cash App. Alright, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.